The rise of Python.
Python has become one of the most popular programming languages worldwide. Its growth is fueled by its versatility, ease of learning, and strong community support. Python's widespread use in industries ranging from tech to finance highlights its value for both beginners and professionals seeking rewarding careers in programming.
Simple syntax, powerful results.
Python's simple, readable syntax makes it easy for newcomers to pick up, even without a technical background. Instead of complex code, Python lets you focus on solving real problems. This simplicity helps beginners learn faster and allows professionals to prototype and develop projects efficiently.
Vast libraries and community support.
Python offers a huge range of libraries and frameworks with solutions ready for web development, data science, machine learning, automation, and more. A large, active community means helpful resources, tutorials, and forums are always available, making it easier to overcome challenges and keep up with new trends.
Applications across industries.
Python is everywhere, from web and mobile apps to automation, scientific research, and artificial intelligence. Companies use it for building scalable backends, analyzing big data, and even powering robots. Its flexibility means Python skills open doors to diverse roles in technology, research, finance, and beyond.
An ideal starting point for your career.
With its popularity, demand in the job market, and beginner-friendly approach, Python is an excellent first programming language. Whether you want to become a developer, automate tasks, or transition into data science, mastering Python provides a strong foundation and practical skills for modern tech careers.